Gabii sa Kabilin features 27 cultural destinations in the cities of Cebu that decided Mandaue and Lapu-Lapu this year. I'm here at St. Teresa's College Folklife Museum, one of the participating sites for this year's Night of Heritage. Join me, Jullianne, Myriel, and Chirley as we'll take you back to see our heritage.
St. Teresa's College Folklife Museum started in the history class of Sister Dalia Coronel, ICM of St. Teresa's College, and initiated a project as a way to commemorate the quadricentennial celebration of Christianity in the Philippines in 1965 with the help of the students in collecting artifacts such as old religious statues and icons, ethnic art pieces, jewelry, ceramics, wood and stone carvings, and many more.
Calligraphy writing, traditional costume of Chinese, and wishing bowl. These are the things offered here in Fulgunshan Temple. And there's more. Let's check it out.
Fulgunshan means Buddha's light mountain, and Chulun means compassion and gratitude. The temple is not just a place for worship, it's also a place of teaching. The temple advocates the 3 acts of goodness: do good deeds, say good words, think good thoughts.
I'm here at Cebu City Public Library. This site features the first time of the Jessa May Bidong pop-up telescope #lookout.
At the Cebu City Public Library, as we discover what lies beyond Earth through #lookup. Pop-up telescope activity is subject to weather condition and sky visibility.
Hi everyone! We are here at the Museum of Bicycling to witness the 11th Gabii sa Kabilin that features not only Cebu's museums and heritage sites, but also Cebu's history and culture and this one-night cultural event.
The bikes in the museum are categorized based on the following ways. The bicycle can be an instrument of change pedaling for alternative transport, social equality, women empowerment, creativity and culture, family and community bonding, health and wellness, sport and recreation, tourism, appropriate technology, and entrepreneurship.
The Night of Heritage has truly become one of the province's